wags her tail. She keeps it close, small as a snail. She thinks, what if they laugh at me? I'll keep them hidden when none can see. Open up, Praju, open up, let your colors shine. Blue and green and gold so bright, you are perfect, you're just right. Open, Praju, don't be shy, spread your feathers high. Hey! Praju opens just a little bit, one blue feather, then she sits. That wasn't scary. Praju says, I'll try some more. Her face turns red. Open up, Praju, open up, let your colors shine. Blue and green and gold so bright, you are perfect, you're just right. Open, Praju, don't be shy, spread your feathers high. Now Praju dances round and round, but oops, she tumbles to the ground. Does she cry? Does she stay down? No, she stands and spins around. When you fall down, stand back up. When you feel small, stand up tall. When you're not sure, try some more. It's okay. Every day, look at Praju, look at her. All her feathers, what a blur. Blue and green and gold so bright. Praju's dancing in the light. She tried and now she knows being brave is how you grow. I can try, I can fall, I can stand up big and tall. Hip hip hooray, I did it today.